So now we're going to merge our layers together and transport our image of our monster into the poster. I'm going to click on layer 1 and then select the horizontal lines on the right and choose merge visible. So now I have one layer, everything is put together, and then I'm going to go to File, Open, and we're going to choose backdrop .psd, and then so I can see both of them at the same time, I'm going to go Window, Arrange, 2 up vertical. So now I have my Curse of Frankenstein and our monster on the right, and all I have to do is just grab that layer 1 and position it right above the Curse of the Frankenstein. Now if you notice that in the example, mine is different than in the book. Why is that? Well, back here, when I created him, I pushed him down to the bottom. When I push my layers off to the side, and I zoomed out, he has more to give, but when I merged, I cut off everything that was visible, hence he lost his bottom torso. So hopefully when you made your Frankenstein, you had him a little positioned a little higher up. So when you merge visible, he didn't lose his torso. If he did lose his torso, that's okay. No big deal. We can work with that. We're not asking for perfection. What I am asking is that you try something new and experiment with the program. So we don't need Frank anymore. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'll save him. And make sure to save your work. Go ahead and save your work right now.